A police officer allegedly hit with a cell phone by Hanilet Abansenia, the partner of former President Rodrigo Duterte, is set to file an assault case against her, according to the Philippine National Police. In a press briefing on Thursday, March 13, PNP spokesperson Brigadier General Jean Fajardo discloses that the officer hurt was a female Special Action Force personnel whom she did not name. According to Fajardo, the police was hurt and had an injury on the head and will file a case of direct assault against Abansenia. Fajardo says that the officer has yet to disclose when she would file the case against Abansenia as she had just been discharged from an undisclosed hospital.
Ang may nasaktan po ay doon po sa side ng PNP. Meron po tayong mga video na magpapatunay na pinukpok po ni Miss Hanilet yung isang pulis po natin na babae na sila po ang nag-restrain doon po kay Ma'am Hanilet at dan po sa kanilang anak para po ilayo pansamantala o mag-giveaway. Kailangan po kasi nating ibuka yung pwesto po kasi nandun po sila sa paligid po ng ating dating Pangulo. So kailangan lang po silang iigilid, iset aside para po makalapit po yung mga pulis po natin na mag-a-assist po kaya sa ating dating Pangulo. So hindi po nasaktan, in fact on the contrary, yung mga pulis natin na nasaktan, pinukpok po yun ng cellphone sa ulo at napakalaki po ng bukol ng pulis natin, dinala po yun sa hospital.
Fajardo explains that tensions and emotions were high on Tuesday, March 11, as authorities sought to take Duterte aboard a chartered flight to The Hague, Netherlands, following an international criminal court warrant against him. Abansenia was with Duterte as he was held in Villamor Air Base. Authorities, including the PNP, were in heated discussions with Duterte's camp from when the former president was taken into custody by police at the Ninoy Aquino International Airport on Tuesday morning until he was flown out of Villamor later that evening. Inquirer.net has sought a comment of the Duterte's camp regarding the matter, but it has yet to respond. The International Criminal Court issued the arrest warrant for Duterte for crimes against humanity allegedly committed during his administration's war on drugs.